What's up guys, and welcome back to another Shingle Creek fishing video, and this time I'm not bringing my light tackle gear for multi-species. In this video I'm targeting bass.
There you go, first bass.
So all you're going to see is some bass catches, including my second biggest bass I've ever caught out here on the Shingle Creek.
Alright, thank you.
So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. It is a lengthy one with a lot of catches, but hey, I just want to show you what you can get into
Awesome.
being out here on the creek. So guys, enjoy.
Ooh, that was a little bass right there. Had it by the tail. There we go. Another little bass. Nice, nice. Knew there was going to be a bass up in that area. Those are always good spots to cast into. All right, thank you, little buddy. Here we go, another little bass. Oh, thank you, little buddy. Alright, another bass. This fifth one off this watermelon red. They all seem to be about this size. Thank you, little man. There we go, got a decent one. Oh yeah, look at this little fatty. Let's check out this little chunk. It's probably like 1.5 pounds here. Yeah, we got 1.7 here. 1.5 here. 6 bass. Biggest one of the day right here. Got a little belly too. Nice. Solid bass. There we go. Ooh, that one got off. There we go. Swimming towards me. Alright guys, the bass off the watermelon red. It's always a good color, solid color. Here we go. Another decent one. These are their Hondo. This one's probably at a pound, I think. Let's see, let's see. One. Second biggest bass of the day here. Nice little pounder. All right, little guy, thank you. The guy was hiding right under that tree too. There we go. Man, they really love this watermelon red. Oh. Well. Oh my gosh. That is a bass right there. Dang it. I saw that guy come up and get it too. I don't know if you guys seen it. Dang, son. There we go. Oh, there goes my worm. Got you. You ain't going nowhere. All right, little man. Another one bites the dust. Alright, little man. Little man, little man. What is this? Oh yeah, that's a good bass. Yeah, baby. I mean, a nice one. Ooh. Another pounder here. Alright, let's see how much this guy weighs. I think this might be the biggest. Well, we got another 1.7 here. Nice second 1.5 pounder. Look at that guy. Nice. There we go. Another little guy. Nice. That little chunky bass. All of these are little studs. Alright, thank you. Nice. Oh yeah, nice little guy. Got it on the magworm here too. Alright, thank you little buddy. Wow. There we go. Yeah. Solid one. Another pounder right here. Nice. Thank you, little buddy. Oh yeah. This little guy was hiding right up underneath that patch of grass there. Ouch. Got me good. Alright, buddy. Swimming right towards me. Oh, that's a nice one. That is a nice one. Easy there, Hondo. There we go, guys. Now that is a bass. Oh, he's only got one little fin right here. Call him Stumpy. Nice one. A little beat up, but hey. See how much this chunk is. This one's got to be 2.5 pounds. We got a 2.6 here, guys. Nice bass. Oh, well, guess that one got off. That's another good one. Oh yeah. Easy there, guy. Oh, thank you. Oh snap, got a little bass. Ooh, something big over there. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. thank you, buddy. Nice. Alright, thank you. That was a bowfin. That was a bowfin. Wow. I saw that thing make a wake for it too. Let's get out of here. Got about 2 hours of fishing left to do. A lot of gar in this area. 2 more hours. See if we catch some more. Oh, yeah, that's a solid one. Nice. Solid 1 pounder right here. Nice little 1 pounder here. Nice. Hell yeah. Love it when they do that. Nice. Another nice, healthy looking bass right here, guys. Nice. Jeez. I don't know how many of these. Look at all this. All these worms so far from all these bass and gar and stuff. I really want to catch a bowfin though. Just one. What do I got left? I got about 7 left. There we go. No, bass got off. Oh my gosh. Wow. There we go. You ain't going nowhere. Whew. All right, thank you. If one doesn't work, switch over and do another one. Here we go. Another one right over in that same area. Alright, little guy. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Stop wiggling, you wiggler. This guy is so mad. Look at him, he's all like, easy. Little guy too. Ooh, look at his face. That little guy. Alright, another little bass. Chunky little guy too. Been eating all them dinner. Ouch! That hurt. Threw a little blood on me. Alright, little man. There you go, another little guy. Oh, I just lost my worm. That's not cool. Alright, little guy. Oh wow, that guy followed it all the way up. I saw him grab this too. A little turd biscuit right here, bottom lip. So he's got a leech on his tongue. Alright, little man. Another little bass. I haven't seen any big bass. Seen one bowfin. Hooked up on the bowfin and then caught that 2.5 pounder. That's it. That is it. There we go. You ain't going nowhere. I'm not losing you. Alright, little guy. What's that, 3 or 4 bass that did that today? Nice. There we go. Alright, little monkey butt. Oh no! That one got off and took my tail. Dang no. Yep, I just got a 1.5 pounder right there. Kind of did the same cast and let the bait fall. And as it was falling, I saw that bass come up and grab it. Pretty cool. I thought it was recording, but you know, sometimes you miss them. Dang, I just saw a big bass swim by. It was probably about that big. At least a 4 or 5 pound bass. Could be more. Dang. When I saw him, I tried to cast for it, and I saw him turn around and follow my bait, but then he just stopped. It's like, I don't want none of that. Should have thrown the worm. Well, looks like I missed that chance. Oh yeah, about time I got you. This guy's hit my worm 3 times. Oh yeah. Kind of swallowed it too, didn't you? Alright, there you go, little guy. Alright, another little bass. Alright, little guy. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. These don't break off. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. That's just what I'm talking about. This is, the bass I saw earlier was bigger than this one too. Wow, this hook just came out. All right, too. Girls. See how much this donkey weighs. This thing's got to be like 4.5 pounds. It has to be. This thing's a freaking beast. Got a 4-1 here, guys. 4-1. Second biggest bass on Shingle Creek here, guys. Nice. Little belly too. Let's let her go. There we go, another guy. Solid one too. All right, nice 1 pounder here. There we go. That's a decent one. Probably. Nice. Another 1 pounder. All right, guy, thank you. There we go. Nice. All right, guy, thank you. Ooh. There we go. What is that? Oh, I thought it was a bowfin for a second. All right, another bass. All right, little guy. 15 minutes. It's going to get dark, dark, dark. I still want to catch more bass. I wish I had more daylight hours. Alright guys, I think I'm done here. I have to get going before it gets too dark. Definitely got probably a good half-hour of paddling to do. But yeah, definitely had a lot of fun.